In this demo, we're going to take a look at the Active Directory structure in Windows Server 2008. So you can see that I'm in my Roles area in Server Manager, and I'm going to just click on the little plus symbol here, and this will expand my Active Directory tree structure. So first of all, I've got Active Directory users and computers, and again you can see that my domain sterlingmv.com is here. I'm just going to drill down into that, and you can see that you have a number of containers here. So first up, the built-in containers. This essentially shows you all the different built-in user accounts that are in Windows Server 2008. Computers shows me if I've got any computers that have joined into the default container. Domain controllers, of course, you can see at the moment I've only got one domain controller, and also it gives me an indication that it's in my default first site. So that's nice and easy, and that's quite useful to spot. If I have connectivity to third-party networks, let's say, for example, Unix servers, you would have foreign security principal accounts in here. Users, of course, are here for any users that you have created. But again, you've also got some default groups here as well. So, for example, administrator and guest. You can see I don't have any users created here at the moment. One of the benefits of Windows Server 2000 and 2003, 2008 is that you can create organizational units. So rather than putting all your objects into one basket, you can subdivide them into more manageable chunks, a little bit like folders in a file structure. So we can see here that I've got a New York head office, and within the head office I've got two departments. So I've got my sales department and I've got my accounts department. And within sales, you can see I have a number of Active Directory objects or security principals, aka users and computers. These, of course, are the logical aspects of Active Directory. Now, if I go into my sites and services area, you can see that this is where you can control your physical aspects of Active Directory. So, for example, any subnets that you have, inter-site transport, so site links, for example. You can see that we've just got one site at the moment, so this is by default called the default first site. So there you have it, Server Manager, and also looking at the different domain structures in Active Directory.